Quick question. Do you need any special skills to make money online? The answer is no. You don't need no special skills. It's a two-way answer. Special skills could be, do I need technical skills to start a blog, how to edit videos, do I need do an autoresponder? Those type skills you can learn by yourself. I mean, I learned how to make a website through a program called Google Sniper a long time ago. It was a one-one clickbait product, and Google Sniper was really, really good at showing you how to buy a domain name, how to get hosting, how to install WordPress, and how to maneuver a blog, a website. So, yes, blogging is, it's easy. I mean, it's not easy. It's not easy. These things, the paid themes are hard to use, but you can learn how to use it. And there's YouTube videos you could look up and you'll follow along and stuff like that. So, not really. YouTube video, not really. You shooting a video what you want to shoot. Editing video takes time, but the more you do it, the better you become. So do you need special skills to make money online? No. So the other side of the coin is, do I have to have a special skill on myself? I gotta be a lawyer, or a doctor, or a fitness guru, or a sports guru to I gotta be a bodybuilder. I gotta be a financial advisor, a tax person, or whatever. Somebody to make money online. And the question is, it helps. It helps if you're an expert at taxes, or it helps when you're a fitness expert. You could start a fitness channel on a fitness blog, and you probably blossom faster than someone else because you have experience with it. If you're an expert bowler, if you went to college and played football, if you know how to build and fix cars, all those types of skills, building cars, fixing, do it yourself around the house, easy fixes, how to unclog a toilet, how to fix a toilet, how to install a toilet, those skills will work really, really well online because people are looking for that every single day. There's somebody online looking at how to install a toilet right now on Google, on YouTube. And you can be the expert on that stuff. So those skills does work, but it's not the end all and be all. You don't have to be expert in anything. As long as you create content, you pick a subject and you stick with it. I picked, my subject is blogging, internet marketing, and motivation. That's my stuff. Like, answer questions. And I also do videos on jailbreaking Fire Sticks. Now, I'm not an expert at it, but I know how to do it. So people look this stuff up, they find my video, they watch my video. So you don't have to be an expert at anything. Let's say you're a really good cook. You could create a channel on cooking, if you're a baker. So do you need special skills to make money online? It helps. It makes the process way faster because you can hone in on something you love doing, like fishing and boating and kayaking, swimming. If you're an expert at these things, you'll make money a little bit faster. So, but if you're not an expert at these things, like I am, I'm not an expert at those things. If you're a really good gamer, you can play the game and you can play Call of Duty, get 50 kills a match, and you just number one all the time. That's a skill. You should put that online and people see it. But any skills you have that you're really good at, drawing, art, painting, whatever, you should try to tap that into that skill. But you don't need special skills online. You pick a niche, you pick something you're interested in and you like doing, and do videos about that. If you want to get into bowling and you bowl for a long time, you not bowl all the time, but you bowl for a little while, you want to make that to a hobby, just go ahead and do it. You can shoot video of you bowling. You got to be the expert in anything, but, you don't have any special skill. You don't need it. And as far as the technical side of making money online, blogging and selling a WordPress site, that stuff's are easy now. Bluehost, if you use Bluehost, they have a button. It's called a WordPress one-click installer. So you can hit the button, this one button, and whatever domain you want to use, you can install WordPress in like 2 minutes. And your WordPress site is up and live. So, no, it's not hard. So, thanks for watching my video. Any comments, questions, concerns, leave me below the box here. And see you next time.